So I turn on night and a dating today, and it's blood. I don't know what is this, guys. What's happening to my gore box? I just built a store for my store. And I don't know what's happening. That I just kill an NPC and an NPC zombie here. And I didn't even kill the police. Look how small it is. Is just one shot damage? Tell in the comments below if you know this day right now.